Welcome to Kalabhairava Forecasting. Now we are planning to conduct a webinar regarding a financial astrology. The financial astrology, we have a two category. That first category, it is called the internal vibration, that we are going to conduct. But before that, basic things, small example how planet affect our trading psychology. So that is the base. Okay, so planets are very important. That is a 12 sign is there, at 360 degree 12 sign each planets, that is 9 planets are rotating around the 360 degree. How it going to affect our human psychology, how it is affect our trading. Okay, that is what we are going to look. So basically everyone say any changes in the universe that will affect our body, that is the proverb is there. So even small changes in the planets also, it affect our psychology, so that will affect the market. Okay, so who have a good birth chart, they can make money, so just like that. But before that, in financial astrology, we are trying to predict market direction. So for this we have some conditions that I will explain in my classes. So the thing is, Gann said the stocks and commodities vibrate in accordance with both their own individual energy or vibration. It is called internal vibration, and also in accordance with energy vibration transmitted through the space, it is called external vibration. Now we are going to look at that is in my class webinar I am going to contact only internal vibration, not external vibration. External vibration second webinar I will trying to conduct. Okay, so now look, planets, somebody asking how planets change market. So for example, we have a house, everyone, in that we have a living room, bedroom, kitchen, toilet, that is restroom. So like that, rooms are variety of rooms are there. Normally you look in the kitchen, we are cooking something. In bedroom we are sleeping. Just think about this. We can't sleep in kitchen, we can't cook in bedroom. But you look, only 9-inch wall is there, nothing big in between the kitchen and bedroom, but 9-inch wall, it going to change our attitude, our mind changing. So that means that 9-inch wall is called as a border. That is, just in astrology we are saying sign change or star change. So one wall, it changing your attitude means, you think about the planet, if planet change its sign or star, habits will change. Simply, we can't sleep in toilet, so each and every 30 degree of sign having some habit, each and every 27 nakshatras having some habit. So in this 9 planets are driving, so each planet entering into each room or each house, it will affect the market condition through our mental psychology. Now the important thing is here, suppose you take it a kitchen, we have specific persons only can able to do the cook. Suppose 2 to 3% enter into the kitchen, you think about that. So I don't know the cooking, suppose I am entering into the cooking, how it will be affect. So this is what we are going to study in internal vibration. So in planet vibration, we can able to capture by knowing the tendency of the place, tendency of the planet. Two things we have to consider. That is what I am trying to explain in my financial astrology. So how it going to affect the market. So here I am planning monthly 4 classes. That means 4 sessions needed to complete this internal vibration. So basic of financial astrology, planet transit for financial market, sign change, star change, how to use for intraday. So interested, I am not compelling everyone, just interested. If you want to learn something, you try to join my classes. WhatsApp me 8973655142. Telegram, follow my Telegram channel wdgan81. So my details, class fees, everything details I am going to upload soon. So it will be definitely useful to you. You can able to predict the market in an astrological way. I am damn sure. But one condition is that is when we are touching the planet, we should be keep some precautions. Okay, that's it. So interested, just WhatsApp me. Further details I will update in my Telegram channel. Very much thank you.